Backpacks and satchels that we carried during our schooling have now been replaced by bags, laptop bags, etc. It is incorrect to always carry bags on the same shoulder or in the same hand in the same way. The consequences of this can be that the shoulder on which we predominantly carry the bag becomes higher than the other, scoliosis of the spine can occur, muscle imbalance, muscle tension, and soreness, etc. Regardless of the kind of bag we carry, we should try to frequently change the hand or shoulder, even when the bag is very light. Think about how you carry your bag. Do you always carry it in the same hand and on the same shoulder? If you have noticed that one side is predominant, try to change it. Motivate yourself to carry the bag on the other shoulder or in the other hand for a while.